How to fix error 1603 when installing QuickBooks Desktop. For quick solutions. Solution 1. Run the Install Diagnostic tool from the Tool Hub. Step 1. Firstly, you need to download QuickBooks Tool Hub if you haven't done it already. Step 2. Once the download is complete, open the file. Step 3. Follow the on-screen prompts and agree to the terms and conditions to install. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, double-click on the icon to open the Tool Hub. Step 5. Go to the Installation Issues tab. Step 6. Now click on QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. Step 7. It can take a while to configure. Step 8. After the configuration is complete, click on Yes to accept the license agreement. Step 9. Click on Proceed to start the repair. Step 10. When it's done, restart the computer. Solution 2. Download and install Windows Update. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon. Step 2. Now go to Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Step 3. Click on Check for updates. Step 4. If updates are available, the system will automatically start installing it. Step 5. Once the update is complete, restart your computer. Solution 3. Repair Microsoft.NET Framework. Step 1. Press on Windows and R keys at the same time. Step 2. Type in Control in the Run dialog box. Step 3. Click on Programs. Step 4. Under Programs and Features, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Step 5. Find .NET Framework on the list and check the settings of both .NET Framework 4.5 or later and 3.5 SP1. Step 6. If the .NET Framework 4.5 or later and 3.5 SP1 checkbox is not checked, click on the checkbox to turn on. Step 7. Click on OK to save the changes. Step 8. Restart your computer. Step 9. If the .NET Framework 4.5 or later and 3.5 SP1 checkbox is already checked, click on the checkbox to turn it off. Step 10. Click on OK to save the changes. Step 11. Restart the computer. Step 12. Now, sign back into the Windows and follow the steps to turn on the .NET Framework. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall QuickBooks. Step 1. Press on Windows and R keys at the same time to bring up the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type in Control Panel and click on OK. Step 3. Now click on Programs and Features. Step 4. From the list of applications, find QuickBooks. Step 5. Right-click on it and select Uninstall/Change button. Step 6. Now, follow the prompt on the screen to complete the uninstallation process. Step 7. After you have finished uninstalling the program, reinstall the latest version and see if the issue is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 877 469 0298 or +44 800 05 48150.